And we're back at CryptoBlockCon in Las Vegas at the Mandalay Bay.
Yeah.
We're on day 2. It's been an amazing conference so far. And we have Quoc Lee, the CEO of QUANTA, with us today. Quoc, welcome to Smarterium.
Well, thank you. Thank you for having me here in this lovely place.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. So tell us about QUANTA. What is QUANTA?
Yeah, so QUANTA, we're a team based in Silicon Valley. We're building blockchain technology. We're trying to bring this age of fairness to trading by fully realize trading on the blockchain that is fast, secure, and transparent. And we call this the Fair Trading Protocol.
Okay. Tell us a little bit more about that. What does fair trading mean?
Yeah, so that's a great question. Today, most of trading happen on centralized system. More than 99% of trading happen on centralized system.
Yeah.
This is because to get the amount to get the liquidity possible to get the kind of liquidity for user to come in is not possible on centralized exchange. So all the trading protocols out there, a settlement takes up to 15 seconds. Where real life trading has to be under a sub-second type of trading. So we're really trying to solve that speed problem.
Okay.
And once you solve the speed problem, we can bring liquidity, actual real liquidity, to the blockchain, and that will bring more users. I mentioned speed. The other one is user custody. User giving away custody to centralized exchange, and that could be risk for hacking. There's risk for hacking. There's risk for manipulations.
Okay.
By realizing full trading, user retains custody completely on the blockchain, which means you hand the power back to the user. And the third one is even decentralized exchange, and especially centralized exchange, order book are not transparent, which means front running is possible.
Okay.
And so this is another benefit of having it transparent on the blockchain.
Okay. And when you talk about the speed and the transparency, how are you actually achieving that? What's the secret sauce?
What's the insight, right? So I sort of predict this about more than a year ago, which is, I read every single research paper. I have a research background. My research is in distributed system, routing protocols. And I looked at all the solutions out there, and I came to realizations that everybody is solving in the constraint in the current constraint world. Like, for example, Bancor and Kuiper, for example, they create a fixed liquidity pool and automating that matching. 0x, which still not creating the full, not capable of creating the full liquidity. 0x, for example, they move it off chain, so you don't have transparent order book. And I came to the conclusion that it cannot be done in the context of a smart contract, because you have certain limitations. If you look at what a regular blockchain does, it's move money from point A to point B, and all it does is deduct the amount from you and add it to someone else.
Right.
But for an order book, to do that matching, you need for every order that is matched, you have to keep storing that in a growing memory space.
Right.
And the second part is the matching. You need to know the full order book. So the computation time to do the matching is much more intense. So in computer, it's a matter of choosing an array or using a hash. It's two different approach.
Right.
I came to the conclusion that we have to build this fundamental infrastructure by building, starting from bottom up. So that's what we're doing. We're building the blockchain from the bottom up, from the order book to the consensus, to the order matching, and to the user experience.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now tell me more about the rest of your team at Quanta. How big is it, and some of the other key players? What's their background? What is your background?
Yeah, sure. So we're based in Silicon Valley. When I started this, I reached out to my friends working in cloud infrastructure at Netflix, to my friends at Google, to my friends at different companies, like a data company, for example, a machine learning. And we sort of come up with the same conclusion about how we approach the technology. And currently they're serving, continue serving as technology advisors. Then I started forming a team around this of engineers. So we have guys that have background in Dropbox, my data analyst background, my growth analysts come from Dropbox. I have guys that are coming from design product at many different kind of products, and have engineers from different companies like Tango, Jiffy Cat. As for my background, I've been in technology for almost 20 years. I worked in companies like IBM, eBay. I work in large infrastructure, billion hits per day. PayPal, settlement team. I work in stock financial company called investors.com. Then I started to move into social mobile apps. A well-known app called Tango. They had 300 million users.
Right.
And there I spend my time both as an engineer and also running, managing product.
Okay.
There. I brought apps to 1 million users and to the market space.
Very nice.
Yeah.
And are you guys bootstrapped at this point, or do you have investors, or are you looking for investors?
Yes. So we started this endeavor early 2019 when we started forming the team, and we started coding from the first day, and we start raising in July. We raised a seed round in July from 4 institutional investors. They're based in Silicon Valley, China, Japan, Australia, all around the world.
Okay.
And what we're doing is a long-term technology play. So funding, having the long-term funding is very important for us. So to answer the last part, yes, we are fundraising.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And so this is when you say it's a technology play and you're talking about a protocol, you're not looking to build an exchange, are you? You're not building an exchange. You're providing the infrastructure for a distributed exchange. Is that a fair statement?
Yes. Yes, the most we'll do is building an example one and open source that, but we don't run that. And we'll help give people all the tools, the support to build exchanges. The other part is we're going to be running this on a mainnet and encourage people to run more nodes in this proof of stake kind of trading blockchain.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, Quoc, thanks for stopping by.
Yeah.
Good luck to all of you guys. Where can we find more information about Quanta?
Yes. So you can find more information from our website, QuantaDex, QUANTADEX.com. Then also connect with us on Telegram, social media, from the links there. We have some great content there where we get into fair trading and we have a great series where we explain the shift, the shift where exchange is going. We talk about exchange 1.0, 2.0, and 3.0.
Okay.
And I know we didn't touch on that very much, but it's it's an interesting read.
Okay. Sure. Sounds good. Yeah, Quoc was on my panel yesterday. It was we had a very interesting discussion. So Quoc,
thank you for having me here.
Absolutely.
All
Thanks
right.
for stopping by.
Thank you.
All right.
Bye.